Watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 385, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 385 has been issued from 12:45 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service.